Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 3 of the series. Today I'm going to teach you how to mount the Reolink and also its solar panel. So basically I've been excited about buying this Reolink Go Plus camera because if you guys all know, it is basically not Wi-Fi. It's made for living out off the grid. So the tools you're going to need is 3 mounting screws, your Reolink Go Plus camera, your camera wall mount, your solar panel wall mount, and of course your solar panel. You're going to need a 9/64 drill bit, your drill, whether it be electric drill or battery powered drill. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a ballpoint pen. Alright guys, so first of all we're going to mark the position with the ballpoint pen. We're going to mark the position of the drill holes with the ballpoint pen. So we got to do that with both mounts. Alright, that's the first mount. That's the mount for the camera. Alright, and then I just marked it for the mount for the solar panel. Alright, next we're going to use those pinholes to basically drill the hose for the screws. That's the next step. And like I mentioned before, for these screws, it's going to be a 9/64 drill bit. Alright. Nice and steady, guys. Nice and steady. Okay. Alright, that's the holes for the camera mount. Alright, now here are the holes for the solar mount. Got the holes drilled. So next is the situation you're going to line up your mounts, and then you're going to screw in your screws. So I got my screws, and I got my mounts, and I got my Phillips screwdriver. Okay. All right. So, camera mount first. All right. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. You can go in there by hand just to get it started. That's what I always like to do. Snug them up with the screwdriver. All right, that's one. All right, you can see it's already in there. It's okay. Slowly but surely we'll be in there. Okay, slowly but surely. Alright guys, so I'm just getting in here. As a matter of to save time, I installed this kind of off camera, and I'm just snugging all these up. Just snugging all the screws up with the screwdriver. Alright. So next, now we just screw the camera onto here, and we use this dial back here to tighten this up right here. So I'll do that next. Yep, put it on there straight, and it just screws right on. Alright, there we go. And I'll spin it around a little bit with the dial back here in the back, in the rear, and then I'll tighten it down. So that's right where I want it. So there's the camera lens, there's the motion detector, and here's the port for the USB. So next I will do the solar panel, and kind of same principle. This dial tightens, this dial back here tightens up this right here. So just screw it on the screw, right? There's a screw hole for it right there. You know, it's just basic common sense, guys. So I'm just going around and around on the screw hole. Boom. So like I said, it's on the screw hole, and I'm just doing it tight enough. And of course we want to have this facing up to catch the sunlight. Okay, and then last but not least, we need to plug in the USB cord, and then we're done. Alright, so there we go. So voila, it's mounted. So that's the end of the video series. That's part 3. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy it. Catch you later. Bye.